It is a video by Khan Academy in which the formula of drift velocity is derived. The formula is correct, but the method is wrong. The link to the video is given in the description. Here I am going to explain why that method is wrong. This is how that video by Khan Academy derives the formula of drift velocity. Consider a free electron. This electron undergoes many collisions with ions. Suppose that n is the number of collisions, u is the velocity of the free electron immediately after a collision, and v is the velocity of the free electron immediately before the next collision. A is the acceleration of the free electron due to the applied electric field, and t is the time interval between two collisions. Since time interval between two collisions is not a constant, so it can vary. For example, it may be t1 or t2 or t3 and so on, as shown in the diagram. As we will see, the acceleration of a free electron between two successive collisions is a constant. So we can write v equals u plus a into t. The video by Khan Academy finds the average of v and calls it as the drift velocity. So if n is the number of collisions, then the drift velocity equals the summation of v divided by n. Since v equals u plus at, therefore drift velocity is the average of u plus at. Since acceleration is a constant, therefore we'll write drift velocity equals the average of u plus a into the average of t. The average of u is 0 because the velocity of a free electron becomes completely random immediately after a collision. And we are calling the average of t as tau, which is the relaxation time. Therefore, drift velocity equals 0 plus a into tau, that is a into tau. By Newton's second law, A equals F divided by m, where F is the electric force on a free electron and m is the mass of an electron. If we take minus small e as the charge on an electron and capital E as the electric field, then F will become equal to minus small e into capital E. Here Khan Academy is taking the magnitude of drift velocity. So we get drift velocity equals small e into capital E into tau divided by m. The formula is correct, but the method is wrong. This is one of the mistakes. The method finds the average of velocities of a free electron just before collisions and calls that average as the drift velocity. But an electron has velocities at other times too, not only before collisions. And those velocities also contribute to drift velocity. Khan Academy may argue that they want to take the average of velocities of a free electron at a large number of time instants. Then also, there is no reason why we must take average of velocities just before collisions and not at some other time instants. What if we take the velocities at mid times between two collisions? Then we will get drift velocity equals small e into capital E into tau divided by 2m. There will be an extra factor 2 in the denominator. What if we take velocities at 1/4 of interval between two collisions starting from the previous collision? Then we'll get an extra factor 4 in the denominator. Like that, you can get infinite number of formulas. Which one will we take as the correct formula? The formula derived by Khan Academy is correct, but the method is wrong. So the question is, what is the correct method? There can be different correct methods. One of the correct methods is to find the average of instantaneous velocities of all free electrons at the same time instant, and that will be the drift velocity. I have posted another video in which the concept of drift velocity is explained clearly and the formula of drift velocity is derived step by step using a correct method. The link of the video is given in the description. Do watch that.